guys, this is part 2 of the Mega Drop Shop. Now in the first one, I did a mystery bundle purchased for $199 and it was retailed at $1,216. I did make a mistake of taking one of the Avant products and included it in the mystery bundle and said, hey, yeah, it's around $1,260 of value. Well, it wasn't, because that does not actually belong in there. I looked back through my products that I purchased and it actually is something I purchased separate. So that belongs in here. So with that being said, that mystery bundle, I don't think it was worth $1,200. Now these are all the other products that I ordered separately through the Mega Drop Shop, and the refrigerator still has not arrived. Now the refrigerator, I paid $29.99 and it's valued at $150. It's supposed to keep your skincare products warm or cool as you choose to use it, and it does come with the cord, so fingers crossed I receive that soon. Now on to the products that I did receive. So this is called the Lash Out Bundle, which I paid $14.99 and it does retail for $108. It comes with the eyelashes, the eyeliner, the swabs to remove the makeup, and the tool, which has a brush on it to brush the eyelashes and the other end to actually apply the magnetic eyelashes. Now I will say that I have not used anything in this kit yet on these eyelashes, these magnetic eyelashes. When I saw them online, they did not look as glam as they do here in person, so we'll see how that works out. But Moxie Lash has a great reputation, and this is the black eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner that comes with the set, and these are the makeup remover swabs. So it's a pretty good deal for $14.99. Now the next is the Avant exfoliator. Now why I bought one for $9 and then a set of two for $14.99, I don't know, but they do retail for $114 a piece, so that was a pretty good deal. I paid $24 and they retail $114 a piece, so that'd be $342 to buy the 3 of these. Avant's an awesome product. I have several products here at the home that I use, and I absolutely love Avant. So this is a face exfoliator, so of course you're going to clean your skin and then use this to exfoliate, and it does contain glycolic acid. The next is an Avant Rose Quartz Revitalizing Firming Mask. It costs $9, but it retails for $97. It contains rose quartz, which helps to buff dead skin cells and impurity, and the hyaluronic acid to penetrate deep. This product helps with excessive oil, and it helps to brighten the skin. It is a firming mask. Okay, the next company is Symbiosis of London, and it's on sale for $9, retail of $204. It contains salicylic acid and zincidone to help fight blemishes and to eliminate sebum. So at that price, $9 for both of these, and they have a retail value of $204, I just thought I'd pick it up, and I'll find someone who has some problems with acne, and I think it would be a great gift. So hopefully this one works well. So on to the next. The next is a free item, which has a retail of $149. It's another Symbiosis of London product, and it contains bee venom and niacinamide for brightening, toning, and anti-aging benefits and to nourish the skin. It's actually called Symbiosis Delight Radiance Facial Serum, which increases the radiance but also has a mattifying benefits for the skin. It does contain hyaluronic acid to improve appearance, fine lines, and wrinkles. Okay, so the next was on sale for $14.99. It's a bundle of shampoo, conditioner, pomade. Retail price is $51.99. Lots of ingredients in there, but some that stuck out to me is the shampoo with the verbena, spearmint, and water, and the conditioner with OUD, Outwood, and then it's the shampoo, conditioner, and the pomade. The company is Fresh Wolf. So I picked up 2 because the retail price would be $102, and this was actually $30, so it sounded like a pretty good deal, and it does have a nice fresh scent. Okay, so the next is hairspray. There are 2 hairspray were on sale for $16.99 with a retail of $64. The company is R&Co, and this is an outer space hairspray with flexible hairspray. Says it gives it a nice finish and hold with no buildup. I am using it, and I am enjoying it. All right, the next item costs $4 and has a retail of $34. It's called G by Gennaro Brush Crush Makeup Brush Holder, and it comes in this really nice case. And when I saw this, I went back to Boxycharm and I tried to order more because this is a really nice deal. I couldn't find any more to order. And it says on it face, eyes, and lips, and it has 3 nice deep pockets, so you can store your brushes, makeup, whatever you choose to store in there. So I'm going to keep this one, but I was hoping that I could find more to gift because I just think this is really cute, and especially the little case that it came in. That's absolutely adorable and would be perfect for a gift. So on to the next. So this one is a Catherine Melodorano Sonic Rechargeable toothbrush. They were on sale for $15, retail price of $79.99, and I have to say that if I had paid $79.99, I would be mad and I would be returning this product. $15's not so bad, but it's kind of embarrassing having purchased 3 to want to give them as Christmas gifts because they're really cheaply made. It does have a 2-minute timer, like it says. It'll just stop, and then as you have it in your mouth, it'll just turn right back on. And it does come with 3 new brush heads, replacement brushes, and then of course it's the cord that comes with it. So I did get 3 of those, but I do think it's cheaply made, and I don't think the value is there at $79.99. So what do you guys think? Those are all the items that I purchased in the Mega Drop Shop sale with Boxycharm. Do you think that there was some value there, some good products? So? Let me know in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.